Hello friends, welcome to Civil Quantity Insider by RG Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today is our session on RCC Beam Quantity Takeoff. Our next lecture on Overview of Finishes Quantity Takeoff and Excel Formatting for Finishes Budget. Please refer following two videos for shortcut methods of Finishes Quantity Takeoff. Stay tuned for more efficient and quick techniques in our upcoming sessions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. This is AutoCAD drawing. We working on the B18 beam. Here is the given beam schedule, beam number, size, bottom reinforcement, top reinforcement, shear status. This is a section of beam. Here is, I will explain one thing. Here is the anchoring is the LD plus 10D. What is the LD? LD is the development length. D is the diameter of bar. In RCC consultant drawing given the notes. Here is the cover 20 mm. Here is the lap length. Depend on the grade of concrete or grade is M30. Use the steel is 3500. Now our 46 into D is the diameter. This is our lap length. This is Excel format. We mention here steel grade, grade of concrete, beam cover 20 mm, lap is the 4060, D is the diameter. Before that start the working, explain the format. We give here the serial number, for example 1. Beam condition, one side supported and other side is a continuous. Location, nearest column, etc. Number of beam, B18, or a beam name. Descriptions of bars. All the details given on the beam schedule mark here. Number of beams, width, depth, length, quantity in concrete quantity in m cube, length of bar, end support. This is end support left. This is end support right. Continuous left. Here is no continuous left. Continuous support right. Yes, here is the continuous support. Here is the number of bars, diameter of bars, weight of bar, the square of 162, total weight, numbers into total length into number of bar into weight per meter. Bar forget with if formula, diameter wise steel quantity. Here is the shuttering quantity. Now we start the quantity takeoff. This description of bars, all the bars mentioned on the beam schedule, we give the details here. One side support, other side continuous. One side support, other side continuous. Beam number B18. Width is the 230 mm. 675 mm is the depth. Total length is the 3.6 meter. Total concrete quantity. Now length of bar. If we start the length of bar, work out the end support. Left side end support is LD plus 10D. LD is 46, D is the diameter bar. Diameter bar is here in millimeter upon 1000 plus 10D. 10 into R9 is the diameter of bar upon 1000. This is the end support. Left side. Now end support right side is the 1.9. Now total length is, this is L1 3.6 plus end support left 0.9, end support right 1.9. Similarly, bottom curtain at mid, here is the bottom full length is the 3 number of bar 16 mm diameter. Here is the tab 3 and 16. Now bottom curtain at mid, here is the bar mid level L upon 6, L upon 6. Reduce this length. How to set this formula? Simply link this length minus same length divided by 6 minus similar length divided by 6. This is central part. First we fix all the formulas. Here is the no left support additional. Here is the 0. And we fix the formula. 10D LD plus 10D plus I divided by 3. Length divided by 3. Bottom right. Here is the bottom right. Here is the no bar. But we fix the formula L by 3 plus support. I divided by 3, length divided by 3 plus support is the 1.9 meter. Here is the number of bar 0. Quantity is 0. Now top reinforcement. Top full. Because 3 number of bar 16 mm left, mid and a right. 3 number of bar 16 mm diameter. First we work out the end support. Left side LD plus 10D 46D plus 10D. Here is the diameter of bar R12 divided by 1000 because here is dimension in millimeter. End support 1.9. Continuous support is the 2.14. Now start from this side. We give the M column. End support left LD plus 10D is the 0.9. Then I8 is the length 3.6. Then end support right side 1.9 plus 2.45 divided by 3. Here is the P12 upon 3. The number of bar 16 mm. Now top left support 0.9 plus 3.6. 0.9 is the LD plus 10D plus 3.6 divided by 3. By LD plus 10D plus L1 by 3. Similarly, top right. Here is the top right. L1 upon 6 divided by 3. Then support, right support. Right support 1.9. Then continuous support 2.45 upon 3. The top right. Here is the given reinforcement details. 3 plus 12. Number of bars 12 mm diameter. Now going for stirrups. Left side L upon 3 100 mm spacing. Mid 150 mm. Right support L upon 3 100 mm support. Now how to set this formula? Here is the mid 150 mm spacing. Stirrups L by 3 left. Stirrups L by L upon 3 right. 100 mm spacing. Now set the formula for stirrups first. Here is the 2G8, 2 times width minus cover, plus 2 into in bracket height minus 2 side cover, bracket complete, plus 2 into anchoring 75 mm. This length same for all 3 type of stirrups. Now go for the number of bar. How to work out the number of bar? Simply total length minus 2 times this and this, height upon 3 same. This we get it the this length upon h 15 is the spacing 15. Similarly L upon 3 divided by h 16 spacing, again control D. Now going to work out horizontal stirrup. Now these 3 horizontal stirrups in shear zone. Here we give the numbers total 6, 3 left side, 3 right side. So how to calculate the length? Here the simply stirrups, we have the spacing of these two stirrups 100 mm this zone. Now similar workout 2 into G8. G8 is the width 230 mm minus both side cover plus 2 into 10. Here is we get the horizontal stirrups. Now set the formula for propagate the reinforcement in diameter wise. Similarly, type if in bracket R8, fix the dollar for only R, because we drag this formula, we don't want to fix the numbers, only fix this column. Function F4 dollar equal to, we fix this row for 6 mm, type 6 comma, again go for total weight, this column. Here also fix the T, function F4, we drag this formula, again 0, we drag this formula, similar copy, change the diameter 8 mm, again 10 mm. Okay, now going for work out the shuttering quantity. Here is the F8. F8 is the number of bar, I8 is the total length, H8 is the depth, again H8. H8 is the one side is their slab, deduct the slab thickness, plus G8. G8 is the bottom width of the single format. We get the concrete quantity, total steel, diameter by steel, and shuttering quantity. Thank you very much.